Hello, I will introduce you the Notion template we have prepared for therapists. There are two versions with and without profile photos of clients. This version is the one with profile photo. There is a dashboard where you can see all the information together. Now let's examine the client database section. Let's add a new client. You can upload the client profile photo from this section, or you can use a profile photo roll on the internet. The date of record creation will automatically appear here. You can keep notes about the client in this section. Now let's add a session to the client we generated. The client we just added started to appear in this section. If we wish, we can quickly edit the information in this section. First of all, we manually add a new session id. Select the client with whom we are performing the session. Let's select the current session date. Let's choose whether the session took place online or offline. Choose the client's modes before and after the session. Here we choose the Apply to Call. We can add a new option if we wish. You can follow the session fee here. If our client will come to the session again, let's enter the next session date here. From this section we select the name of the therapist. You can edit it this way if you wish. The next session date that we add here will start to appear in these sections, and we will be able to follow it easily. Now, I will show you how we can record the session question and answers. Click on the session ID, and the window opens and the information we added before appears here. From here we click on the Add New Question and Answer Log button, and ready questions and answers appear. You can save the answers and access them easily later. If you wish, you can edit these questions and answers as you wish. Now let's see how it is done. Click on the three dots next to the Add Question and Answer Log button and select Edit. In this section we write our own questions and press the back button. It will be automatically saved, and this template will now be valid for the next sessions. Now let's check. You can access these logs at any time. Future sessions that we have added appear in this section on the main screen. Now let's examine the section where we will keep client payments. Manually add a payment ID and fill in the necessary information. Now let's see how to filter by a client name. Our other section is Notes, where you can easily save your daily notes. Let's add a new note. If we have performed the task in the note we received, we can mark it from this section so that it does not appear. You can see all the notes in this section. You can see the incomplete notes here. Thank you for watching.